and today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable sleep mode on your Dell laptop, tablet, or desktop computer if perhaps it's been disabled or doesn't appear to be working or turning on. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Windows icon and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. And then on the left side, select System. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select the Power option. There should be an item that says Screen and Sleep Timeouts. Click the drop-down, and where it says Plugged in, Make My Device Sleep After, click the drop-down and select anything other than Never, because Never is basically what's turning off sleep mode. And you do the same thing for the battery option as well. There may be multiple categories, assuming you have a laptop or tablet. I'm on a desktop environment here. That's why it's only one option here, or one category of options. You can also adjust when your screen turns off as well by clicking that drop down and then making your selection choice. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.